Welcome to Hi Channel. Join us as five old friends reunite for a memorable Civic Holiday long weekend camping adventure at Sharbot Lake Provincial Park, a beautiful 80-hectare recreational park nestled in the heart of Central Frontenac, Eastern Ontario. Located along the crystal-clear shores of both Sharbot Lake and Black Lake, this scenic provincial park is a favorite summer destination for campers, paddlers, anglers, and families alike. With nearly 185 campsites, 2 sandy beaches perfect for swimming, excellent boating opportunities, and productive fishing waters filled with largemouth bass, lake trout, and northern pike, Sharbot Lake offers something for everyone seeking an escape into nature. Unfortunately, Mother Nature had different plans for our long weekend. As we arrived at the campground, gray skies and unsettled weather greeted us. Instead of the sunny camping trip we had imagined, rain clouds quickly rolled in, reminding us that every outdoor adventure comes with a little unpredictability. The following morning, after enjoying breakfast together around our campsite, we took advantage of a break in the weather to explore the short but scenic Ridgeview Trail. This peaceful forest trail offered beautiful elevated views of the surrounding lakes and reminded us that even a brief hike can reveal the quiet beauty hidden within Ontario's provincial parks. Soon after returning to camp, steady rain settled in for the rest of the day. While many visitors might have stayed sheltered inside their tents, we decided to embrace the weather and head out onto the lake with our fishing gear. Despite the rain, our patience was rewarded when we successfully caught 2 largemouth bass, turning what could have been a disappointing day into one of the highlights of the entire trip. Back at our campsite, the fresh catch inspired an unforgettable outdoor cooking experience. Together, we prepared a delicious traditional Chinese dish, Sichuan fish with pickled mustard greens. Combining freshly caught bass with fragrant spices, pickled mustard greens, and a rich, savory broth, the meal became the perfect comfort food on a rainy camping day. Sharing homemade food, warm conversations, and laughter beneath our shelter reminded us that camping is about much more than perfect weather. It's about friendship, teamwork, and creating lasting memories together. Whether you're planning your own visit to Sharbot Lake Provincial Park, looking for Ontario camping inspiration, enjoy freshwater fishing, or simply love outdoor cooking and camping adventures, we hope this video gives you a genuine glimpse into a real Canadian camping experience, where even rainy days can become unforgettable memories. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and join us as we explore Sharbot Lake Provincial Park, hike the Ridgeview Trail, fish in the rain, and cook an authentic Chinese campsite feast with 5 lifelong friends. Let's begin our adventure.